Today we're going to teach you about 360-degree surround view with active parking support in your new Panamera. So the first thing you'll do is find a parking spot. Now, as you get close to your parking spot, you'll see this particular screen, i.e. if you go in reverse. Now, on the left-hand side here, you can see a whole bunch of little small cameras. Now, you can select that, and it will show a picture, a 3D render of your vehicle, and then whatever is in that direction. See, if we move here, it'll switch to the other side. And you can go all the way around the car. But the best one is this one right here. You can actually take this one and you can swipe across the screen to change your view. This allows you to look into a spot or be able to see something you may not be able to see from the driver's seat. Now there's some other buttons here. This particular button will mute any parking support sounds that you may hear. We also have our maneuvering assist icon. This particular option assists you in not running into objects when you're reversing. Down here at the bottom, these are your two views. If you want to select this, it cleans up the view entirely and kind of changes the aspect ratio here, and then you can go back to each individual camera setup by selecting this particular button. Okay, let's find a parking spot and use active parking support. As we're pulling up to look for a parking spot, we'll select the active parking support button. As you can see here, you can search on either side of the vehicle, left or right, and it also will look for parallel spots as well. And so drive around, not going over a certain speed as it finds a parking spot. Parking space detected. It says decelerate to a standstill. Once you do that, you just have to select this button that says start parking process. As the vehicle is being parked, you don't have to add any steering input, braking, or acceleration. The car will take over completely. Now, as the vehicle comes in, it will automatically go into park. And after a short time, the vehicle will also turn off. You now can use 360-degree surround view and active parking support to park your new Panamera.